Indicators can help traders identify potential market opportunities. They can help identify trends, measure momentum, and highlight potential overbought or oversold conditions. With MetroTrader, you have access to more than 75 indicators and studies, including tools like Bollinger Bands, RSI, EMA and SMA, ATR, and many others. Here's how to add indicators to your trading charts. In the top bar of the chart widget, click the Studies icon. It's the icon that looks like the letter F. This will open the Indicators menu. Here, you'll see the full list of indicators available on the platform. To add an indicator, simply drag and drop it into the Added Indicators window. For this example, we'll add Bollinger Bands and RSI. If you click on an added indicator, you can adjust its settings. For Bollinger Bands, you can modify the length, standard deviation, colors, and line thickness. For RSI, you can adjust the length, overbought and oversold levels, along with the colors and also line thickness. Now both indicators are added to the chart. Another useful feature is the ability to save indicator templates. This allows you to quickly reuse your preferred setup later. To do this, go to the top of the chart widget, click Indicators, and save your setup as an indicator template. If you cleared your chart later, you can quickly reapply your favorite indicators in just a few clicks. That's how to add indicators to your charts on the MetroTrader web platform. If you'd like to start trading live futures, you can open an account today at MetroTrade.com.